Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you guys on how to use the graph editor inside Adobe After Effects. So let me close this, alright. If you look closely, I have two keyframes that is under position. It's from left to right. So what I'll be showing you guys today is how to use the graph editor to change the speed of how fast can an object or vector inside After Effects moves. As you see now, the object is moving in a constant speed. Constant speed meaning that the speed doesn't change, it doesn't slow down or it doesn't go faster at all. This is why, or this is what we called it the linear speed. Or constant, you can use both ways, but this is linear. To know if a movement is linear or not, you should look at the graph editor. To access the graph editor, first you have to click the keyframe here on a layer, choose the keyframe and click graph editor. Once you click graph editor, they will show you guys this special window. And when you see here, this is the line that use the speed is the speed for the ball moving. If I lower it, if I lower it down, it goes slower. So whatever you do, whatever you change inside this graph affects the vector that is moving. Since this is called linear speed, basically there's no easy in and easy out. I'm assuming all of you know that's the shortcut key inside After Effects to do smoothing. So what if I press F9 now to easy in and easy out? Once you press F9, your keyframe here would change into a different icon instead of a diamond shape. It changes into a somewhat like an hourglass icon. And when you play it, you can see that the ball starts from slow and goes to fast. Why is that? And if you look in the graph editor to enter them, you have to select one of the keyframe inside the layer and click graph editor. You can see this time it changes. It goes from, look at here, it says 0. It goes from 0 speed up to the maximum, which is 2500. This is the fastest, and then goes back to slow. That's why you see the movement of the ball from slow to fast and ends with slowing down. Okay, what if I edit the graph, I say into something like this? How do you edit the graph? You just drag the yellow point here, and move to the side. Same goes to this one. I'm moving it to the side. What happened now? If you look closely, the ball is moving from slow, prepping up to go fast only. Earlier, when you use F9, it goes from slow to fast to slow. But the difference in this is that it goes from slow to fast only. This is what we call ease in. Ease in meaning that the graphs here, it starts from slow only. The starting is ease. I hope you understand this, because the next graph I'll show you what vice versa, how it will look like. Okay, this time the graph, if it's on the left side, I point everything by clicking the pointer here from right to left. Earlier it was like this, but I move here, and when I click play, it's from fast to slow. This is called ease out. Is out because the ending is slowing down. Out meaning the last one. In meaning the first one. So going back to is in earlier, it only starts from the beginning because it's easy in, and easy out, it will show from the last part only. It will slow down from the last part only. When you press F9, it will make both sides slowing down. The middle part is the acceleration. See? Okay, what if I move the bar here to the middle and increase the speed here? What will happen next? If I play it, it will go faster than the previous F9. Okay, what I'm trying to say here, using the graph editor, you can edit so many things from your work to look more refined and more nicer. So I want for your motion graphic resume to try your best and implement using the graph editor, because like I said, it helps a lot of movement that you can't actually use to some movement that you want to do, and by pressing F9 only, it doesn't work that way. That's why we're using graph editor. So again, graph editor, and the way to access it by clicking the keyframe here. Once you access the keyframe, you can edit it as much as you like. I'm dragging this down. Now I can change and edit it. See? It was linear speed earlier, and I hope you guys understand. Alright?